Hello everybody and welcome back to the Techist Magician. Today we are comparing two recent flagship devices from Apple, iPhone 15 Pro Max and Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max. There is a massive upgrade in iPhone 15 Pro Max where we used to see in 14 Pro Max stainless steel frame in previous models and 14 Pro Max, while in 15 Pro Max there is a massive upgrade as you get to see the titanium frame here. So we'll be comparing them through a series of tests, apps and some games, and we'll find out which phone is better. So as usual, first starting with boot up test. And let's see which one comes out on top here. And surprisingly it is 14 Pro Max, almost the same time, but I'd say it is 14 Pro Max taking the lead in the boot up test. So talking about design, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is featuring sleeker and more refined design compared to iPhone 14 Pro Max, with potentially slimmer bezels and smaller notch, and a lot more customization options are available in 15 Pro Max regarding iOS 18 and its features. And talking about performance, the 15 Pro Max is powered by a more advanced chipset S17 Pro, providing faster and more efficient performance compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And in the camera section, it of course has upgraded camera technology, potentially offering better low light performance and improved image quality compared to what iPhone 14 Pro Max offers. So let's check them in a real world performance test. Both are connected to the same Wi-Fi networks, and let's confirm there are no apps running in the background, as you can see that. Let's first check the weather widget for the sake of optimization and smoothness. They are equally smooth in that you can feel it. Let's start with the phone app. Easily the same time. Let's head to messages. Again the same time. Let's head to browser. 15 Pro Max did seem a bit quicker here. Let's head to music. That is easily the same time. Let's check Google. That is easily the same time, and both are equally smoother. Let's go to YouTube. And that is almost the same time again, and both are equally smoother. Let's go to Chrome. Almost the same time again, and both are equally smooth. Let's check Google Earth. And this time it is 15 Pro Max taking the lead. Now let's head to Maps. That is again the same time. Let's go to App Store. This time it seemed iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it was the one to take the lead. Let's head to Facebook. Almost 15 Pro Max. Let's go to TikTok. That is almost 15 Pro Max taking the lead yet again. Now let's head to Spotify. This was almost the same time, and both are very smooth. Let's go to Groupon. This again 15 Pro Max taking the lead here. Let's open something. It is 15 Pro Max. Let's head to Netflix. It is again 15 Pro Max taking the lead. Now let's go to Pinterest. For a while it seemed to be iPhone 14 Pro Max, but 15 Pro Max took the lead easily. Now the final app, we have Roblox, or a game you can call it. It is 14 Pro Max this time. This is a very heavy app. I do feel lots of phone lagging in these, and I do feel 15 Pro Max somewhat lagging. Though 14 is smoother, and I don't understand the criteria here. As the app section has been done, now let's move to the gaming one. And first we have Candy Crush Saga. That was almost the same time. Now let's head to Hill Climb Racing. Again the same time. Now let's head to Subway Surfers. That was surprisingly 14 Pro Max taking the lead. Though 15 is available in the better and faster chipset, but 14 Pro Max took this lead, though it should have been 15 Pro Max. Well, this sometimes it does happen. Let's move to Mario Run. A bit heavier game. Let's see which one loads this one. Quicker. Which is again surprise. 14 Pro Max taking the lead. But 15 is back with the lead, loading that quicker even. Now let's move to Temple Run 2, the final game. It is this time 15 Pro Max taking the lead. As you could see, it was faster and both are equally smooth here. Let's do a little quick RAM optimization test. The RAM optimization is absolutely good on both devices. And when talking about their battery life, the 15 Pro Max comes with a large battery capacity, providing longer battery life compared to 14 Pro Max. Overall, 15 Pro Max is offering a more advanced and premium user experience compared to 14 Pro Max, making it a top choice for those looking for the latest and greatest in smartphone technology. But you can't go wrong with 14 Pro Max either, so both devices offer top-of-the-line features and adaptability and quality. And tell us in the comments which phone do you choose and why.